So today I'm going to show you how to import stuff from a previous course. You can always go into your old course and export it at the end of the year, which you should always save a copy of that, but there's something else that you can do. So let's say, especially if you're one of the electives classes, say you've got classes here that you're going to use again, but it's not published yet because you haven't used that class yet. You can go into that class, and then you can get all the stuff, like especially if you reuse the same things, you can get all those things in pretty quickly by clicking import existing content. Now you can always save things to commons and get it from there, but this can do it all in one shot. So you're going to click content type, copy a Canvas course. Then you're going to find the course. Okay, and it shows you everything that you've already had before. So if it's something from earlier this year, you're just going to click on it. And so I'm going to, for this example, just click on this here. Okay, now I'm going to get every single thing because I liked how I had everything set up. I'm going to use every single thing. If I wanted to, I could do specific things, but that's just another option you can do. But if you're just going to copy everything, but if you need to do specific things, you can click on that and that'll give you the option to open another thing. The other thing you must do though is click this adjust events and dates, change everything to remove, click the magic button, and then what's going to happen is it's going to take every single thing that was in that course, and this was a blank shell, and take every single thing from there and put it directly in here as it showed up in the other. So through the power of editing, it's done. Now, for some of you may come up with errors, especially if you're importing directly from one course into this one. Those errors, when you pop it up, it should say something about SIS cannot sync at this time. But that's because you don't have any due dates on the things that you brought in. Because remember, when we brought it in, we wiped all of the dates. So you don't need to worry about that error. If it says something other than SIS cannot sync this information because it needs a due date, then something else went wrong. But in most cases, it's going to show exactly what you need. And then you can, everything should look like what it did from that course, which is this is how I had that course set up. And I have assignments and everything that I already had there should end up appearing back over here. And all you got to do is just change dates and all of your modules will look the same. Everything from last year or last class will show up again. So, hey, thanks. Hope this was helpful.